particular song as a mood enhancer. If you have, then you have already witnessed the incredible power of music. Then you will definitely love this show today. And let's move on. Okay, we need lights over here. So, dear friends, today our performers are going to share some inspiring piece of information based on Indian ragas and soft music that has amazingly helped us to calm down and have influenced our lives, helping to balance blood pressure levels, sugar levels, stress levels, sleep pattern, improve digestion, and whatnot. There are evidence that if music was used as an alternative therapy, it can increase our immunity, release happy hormones in our blood, increase self-confidence by using the 4 methods of music therapy known as compositional, improvisation, receptive, and recreative methods. With a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to welcome our performers here on the stage who actually don't need any introduction, but I have to as it is. Our first performer here is Prakriti Ganguly.
Namaskar.
Receiver of Sangeet Visharad and Sangeet Vibhakar, the highest level of degree in classical music, under the tutelage of Guruji Rajanji and Sajanji in Mumbai. Prakriti is also a teacher in classical music, having performed numerous concerts in India, on TV and radio, and also numerous events in UK, community programs, Lions Club, and Indian High Commission in the past 5 years. Our second performer is Neela Khan. Neela learned music from Chayanot Music School under the tutelage of Ustad Sanjeev De. Her first album, The Depth of Blue, was a super hit released in 2012. Neela is a biologist, a teacher in biology, a poet, composer, singer of Nazrul Giti, Tagore, and folk songs, and CEO of NNTV. Today, Neela will present some Hindi songs based on Indian classical ragas associated with human emotions and health improvements, explaining about music therapy's role and its impact on human mind and psychology. So over to you, Prakriti.
Thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen, Prakriti's first song is based on Rag Pahari, originating from, as the name indicates, the Himalayas, an evening raga for peace and power, and how it blended with Bollywood music to create an enchanting melody will be presented by Prakriti. All up.
लग चाकले हंसी रात हो न हो लग चाकले की फिर हंसी रात हो न हो बरसों बीत गए हमको मिले बिछड़े बिजली बनकर गगन पे चमकी बीत समय की रेखा मैंने तुमको देखा तड़प तड़प के इस बिरहन को आया कैन जरा सा फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा मेरे नैना सावन भादो फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा
So, ladies and gentlemen,
Thank you. Thank you.
ladies and gentlemen, the song Mere Naina was based on Raga Shivaranjani, an evening dhun, which is said to lower stress levels and enhance memory if listened regularly. Today we are discussing music, therapy, which is used by using Indian ragas with Bollywood songs to enhance positive effects in various mental and physical ailments as an alternative therapy. Next rag is Raga Khamaj, used by therapists to promote sleep and reduce insomnia when listened regularly before going to bed, thus relaxing our mind and soothing the nervous system. Ala.
Gama pada gama pa ni sa ni ओ सजना এখনো বাকি, আরো কিছু দিতে বাকি, বলে রাত জাগা পাখি, ও সজনা। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Next is Ragananda, believed to affect our mood with happy, pleasant feeling.
तो अगर उदास होगा तो उदास होंगी मैं भी, तो अगर उदास होगा तो उदास होंगी मैं भी, नजर आओ या ना आओ, तेरे पास होंगी मैं भी, तू कहीं भी जा रहेगा, मेरा साया साथ होगा, तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा, मेरा साया साथ होगा, तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा। थैंक यू। जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, नींद नहीं आती, बड़ी लंबी रात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है। सारी सारी रात मुझे इसने जगाया, सारी सारी रात मुझे इसने जगाया, जैसे कोई सपना, जैसे कोई साया, कोई नहीं लगता है, कोई मेरे साथ है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, नींद नहीं आती, बड़ी लंबी रात है। थैंक यू।
Ladies and gentlemen, this song "Jaane Kya Baat Hai" was based on Maja Khamaj Rag. Dear friends, do you know which ragas calms down the mind? Yes, you're right, it's Rag Bhairavi. It's considered to be one of the most calming, soothing raga, which evokes a sense of peace, a tranquility, also known as the foremost raga of Lord Shiva. The Kal Bhairav, also known as, believed to enhance cheerfulness, boost energy levels. Listening to this rag also helps to reduce anxiety, depression, and irritability symptoms, with evidence to have lowered high BP levels, lung-related disorders, sinusitis. When used during the pandemic, it gave very positive results. So, voilà.
चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे हर जाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग कोरी चुनरिया आत्मा मोरी मैल है माया जाल कोरी चुनरिया आत्मा मोरी मैल है माया जाल ओ दुनिया मोरे बाबुल का घर ये दुनिया ससुराल आ जाके बाबुल से नजर मिलाऊं कैसे तर जाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग dim tanana de tanum tana de nadim tanana de ta num ta de nadim na de tana de tana tum ta dare dare dani dim tanana de tani 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 dim tanana de tanum tana de nadim tanana de ta num ta de na सप्त सुर नदी नग्राम बंसी बाजे रिसा सनी सनी नि धनी धा पा पा मा मा गा मा धा गा मा मा गा रि सा मा धा गा मा मा गा रि सा दादा किटा चरण धर ता भगत नहीं परना झाझर धन के धन झाझर धन के धन नदी पे दिम तनु तना नदिम तना नदी तानु तना दे नदी तना नदी ता na de tum de dim ta na na de tum de dim ta na na de tum 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 de na de tum de tum de tum ta de tum ta de tum ta de tum ta akta dhukta pranda dim ta na na de tanu ta na de na dim ta na na de tanu ta na de na dim ta na na de ta namaskar thank you
Well, amazing. That was marvelous, Prakriti.
thank you
And of course, let's not forget the magicians sitting behind, these two magicians we have here. Let me introduce you. They don't need an introduction, but they really need appreciation. So Neela and Prakriti are accompanied by Sandyman on tabla, a CEO of Guru Sounds International and Sandyman Films, an international performer, charming people around the globe with his magical performances. Also, a very famous DJs. Go to all of his, not only one, all of his DJs, and you won't stop rocking. I'll tell you, you'll rock till next 1 week. Actor, producer, and a heartthrob while hosting on the television of UK. And also, he is acting in many Bollywood films now. A round of applause for Sandyman. He is my younger brother also. Okay. On the keys, we have Kiran Thakrar. A genius with keyboard skills. Kiranji is a music creator, music director, co-music producer Bollywood, and a leader of strings band. And all long, also a lot of, we have to say, a big list of introduction, but you know his music tells everything. A big round of applause for them. Without them, the show wouldn't have been so nice. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So now we are coming to the next performer, Neela Khan. Okay. Saurabh?
Yes. Good evening. Namaste, salam.
Our second performer is Neela Nikki Khan. Neela learned music from Chayanot Music School under the tutelage of Ustad Sanjeev De. Her first album, The Depth of Blue, was a super hit released in 2012. Neela, will you please carry on now?
Good evening. As you know, today we are discussing about classical and semi-classical music and dances, including their effects on our body and mind. Most classical music helps our body to release dopamine, which is a happy chemical in our body that improves our moods and blocks the release of stress and helps us in easy learning and memory. As example, Beethoven's first movement of Moonlight Sonata, it comes us just like Indian ragas. Example, Rag Kafi, Kirwani, Vairavi, Ashavari. Any raga with Suddhasar, natural notes, create a happy mood. I'm presenting 2 ragas and some Hindi songs based on these ragas as medleys. My first raga is Rag Pahari. Rag Pahari is a very popular and melodious evening raga. It is based on third billable, which is similar to Rag Bhupali. This raga is mind uplifting, happy in nature, sometimes represents sadness also. Sa re ga pa ga re ma ga re sa. And I will be presenting 3 songs now, and then I will go back to Rag Kirwani. रहे ना रहे हम जब हम न होंगे जब हमारी खाक पे तुम रुकोगे चलते चलते आशिकों से भीगी चांदनी में एक सदा सी सुनोगे चलते चलते वहीं पे कहीं हम तुमसे मिलेंगे भंग के कली भंग के सवा भागे वफा में रहे ना रहे हम रहे हम कभी कभी मेरे दिल में जानूं मेरे जिस्म जा पिघलती ये कहाँ आ गए हम यूं ही साथ साथ चलती तेरी बाहों में है जानूं मेरी जिस्म जा पिघलती तेरी बाहों में है जानूं मेरी जिस्म जा पिघलती ये कहाँ आ गए हम यूं ही साथ साथ चलती Thank you. I have to get that one. Just a minute. Before we go to another part of my show, I want to talk about the raga I'm going to participate. My second raga is Rag Kirwani, a very emotional and soulful raga derived from Carnatic music. It is a Naito raga. All 7 notes are used, and third note ga and 6th note dha are flat. That means komal. It is like the harmonic minor in Western music. A bit of raga pilu is found in it. Ustad Rashid Khan's raga Ka karu sajani aaye na balam Ka karu sajani aaye na balam Tadapat बीती मरी उन बिना रतिया तड़पत बीती मरी उन बिना रतिया इन बालम. And now I'm going to do the medleys. Okay, we can start. ये जिंदगी उसी की है ये जिंदगी उसी की है जो किसी का हो गया प्यार ही में खो गया ये जिंदगी उसी की है जो किसी का हो गया प्यार ही में खो गया ये जिंदगी उसी की है. Thank you. Yes. Bring Jimmy. रिम झिम गिरे सावन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगे कैसे आगन रिम झिम गिरे सावन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में मेरे दिल ये पुकारे आजा, मेरे गम की सहारी आजा। भीगा भीगा है समा, ऐसे में ही तो कहा, मेरा दिल ये पुकारे आजा, मेरे गम की सहारी आजा। भीगा भीगा है समा, ऐसे में ही तो कहा, मेरा दिल ये पुकारे आजा। तूने ही तो ये रुत, ये हवा, क्या करूं, क्या करूं। तूने ही तो ये रुत, ये हवा, क्या करूं। दूर तुझसे मेरे के बता, क्या करूं, क्या करूं। सुना सुना ही जहाँ, अब जाऊं मैं कहाँ, बस इतना मुझे समझ आ जा। भीगा भीगा है समा, ऐसे में ही तो कहा, मेरा दिल ये पुकारे आजा, मेरे गम की सहारी आजा। भीगा भीगा है समा, ऐसे में ही तो कहा, मेरा दिल ये पुकारे आजा। Thank you, everyone. Thank you. A big thanks to Sandy Man and our great musician, Karan Thakurji. And you know Sandy Man, he's a very good drummer.
So, thank you, Neela.
Yeah,
That
and-
was wonderful.
And thank you, Bulbul Banerjee, too.
Thank you. So after Neela's song, we are moving to our next segment, the dance sections. So I'll be pulling the curtains now, and I'll come over on the other side. So we need to keep space for the dances. Thank you.
Bhajan is commonly sung in Rag Yaman. Rag Yaman is an evening raga known for its uplifting mood. Reciting or listening to this bhajan is believed to bring numerous spiritual and psychological benefits like spiritual elevation, mental peace, devotional connection, moral and ethical guidance, and positive vibration. In this bhajan, we describe the aura of Lord Rama, his lotus like eyes, lotus like face, his lotus like feet, his yellow garment which shines like a flash of lightning, her wife Devi Sita, his most devoted follower Hanumanji, how Lord Rama holds a bow and arrow, how he fought against the demons to save his devotees. Overall, listening or dancing on Sri Ramachandra Bhajan serves as a powerful tool for spiritual growth, emotional well-being, and ethical living. Presenting Bhajan Sri Ramachandra.
तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालो भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालो भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुख करकञ्ज पदकञ्जारुणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालो भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीराम 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 कन्दर्प अगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरद सुन्दरम् पटपीतमानहुतडित रुचि शुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालो भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीराम 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 भज दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानवदैत्यवंशनिकन्दनम् रघुनन्दानन्दकन्द कोशलचन्द दशरथनन्दनम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालो भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीराम 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 सिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदारङ्ग विभूषणम् आजानुभुज शरचापधर सङ्ग्रामजित खरदूषणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालो भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीराम 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 इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेषमुनिमनरञ्जनम् मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामादिखलदलगञ्जनम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालो भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुख करकञ्ज पदकञ्जारुणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालो भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीराम 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 श्रीराम
Hello. Yeah. Our next performer is Dr. Ragasudha Vinyamuri, an associate lecturer at University of Sunderland. She received Best Dancers Award on her Bharatnatyam dance styles. And recently, Ragasudha was invited by His Majesty King Charles to Buckingham Palace for her contributions to performing arts. She has been invited to perform during 2 world conventions inaugurated and concluded by consecutive honorable presidents of India in 2012 and 2017. Ragasudha has the distinction of presenting 30 times at British Parliament Houses, thrice in European Parliament, and once in Welsh Parliament. A big hand to a lady who has broken all barriers in taking Indian dancing to the level of highest distinction by her performing arts in Switzerland, Belgium, Spain, Luxembourg, Germany, and Czech Republic. So Ragasudha, let's get started. A big hand for Ragasudha.
Hello. Hello. Yes, I'm making sure you all hear me. So, namaste everyone. Good evening. It's a wonderful program today where we are talking about the impact of music and dance on mental health as well as physical health. When it comes to dance, obviously, it has a huge impact on physical well being as well. So, in Sanskrit, we have a saying Geetam Vadyam Tatha Nrutyam Trayam Sangeetam Uchyate. So when we talk about dance, it is not complete without music, lyrics, songs, obviously, and rhythm. So we have had a wonderful beginning of the program where you have enjoyed the music, songs part of it. Now it is dance part. So I would like to do a little activity, 30-second activity. When anxiety kicks in, what is your very typical response? How do you respond to anxiety? What do you do? 1 or 2 responses from the audience? Deep breath, okay. Anything else? What do you do when you're anxious about something? Music. Okay, very good. So that's what I said. It's a confluence. When we talk about dance, it's a confluence of music, rhythm, movement, everything. Okay. Thank God my husband is not there in the audience. Otherwise he would say, okay, I had enough. I need to sleep. Okay. And then you hear the snoring all the time. So typically the reaction is also that you would like to, yeah, you need to calm down. So probably you watch telly, you want to watch a serial of your choice, go to pub, let the hair loose down and then dance. Yes? So, dance forms part of our day-to-day life also. I mean, you don't have to necessarily dance yourself. You can also watch others dancing. That's what you are doing today. All right. So, and then a lot of studies have happened in this field, and in this area, they have actually identified the potential of dance in therapies. So we have at least last 20-25 years, the dance therapy aspect is quite increasing. Although way back 5,000 years ago, we have what is called as Raga Chikitsa. So it's not a new phenomenon back home in India because we have had it. Raga Chikitsa, we had it. So the impact of music, ragas, you have seen. And of course, a lot of community dancing has been happening for thousands of years. So I won't go into the history of it right now, but what I would like to say is dance therapy. So pediatric dance therapy is used for children with cancer and special needs. So this has been floated in 2008 in Los Angeles, and a lot of studies are progressing in that direction. So dance, again, because my part is dance here, I'll speak more about dance. So dance basically enables calming down. So you feel happy, you watch something because there is an aesthetic element to dance. So you see a dancer, beautiful moments. You have seen my friend Moni Deepa, who has beautifully presented a recital. Okay, so it has taken you to a different, very different realm. Okay, so psychologically, you've gone somewhere, although probably you may have had some kind of stress or anxiety or whatever, you still have gone to a different world. And that's what dance does to all of us. Okay, so from the performer's point of view and also from the audience's point of view, dance has this therapeutic element, therapeutic property. Okay, so it is used in treating insomnia. Of course, we are talking about motor movements, so obviously the motors also come into picture, but I want to talk more about the cognitive element. So it is used for it is also used for treating, Down's syndrome and several other, conditions, I would say. Not diseases necessarily, but yeah, conditions. So dance has a very, very, very profound impact on our psyche in reducing the unrest that we may be having. And studies have also shown that when the children, especially women children, when they come from war-torn zones, so it's a lot of, they need healing, isn't it? Domestic abuse, they have seen things probably at a very young age that they wouldn't recover from. So for healing purposes, dance is used as a treatment. And this is not something Ragasudha is telling you, this is happening scientifically with proven evidences and all the examples. So, my dance presentation is on women power. Okay, so to balance, we need Prakriti and Purusha. So I will be presenting the feminine part of it, but the powerful part of it, whereas my colleague will be presenting the male part of it after I finish my dance. So thank you. Just relax and watch. Thank you so much.
That was amazing. Really, I'm just lost for words. A big thank you to Dr. Ragasudha. Okay, our next performance is Monideepa Sheel will be accompanied by her husband Shourav Mitra, by profession an IT engineer, focused on martial arts dance style with Kalari Paya 2. They will be performing a Shiva Tandava dance presentation, a duet. A round of applause for Monideepa and her husband Shourav Mitra.
I hope you're enjoying so far. So, as we are talking about dance therapy, whenever we feel angry, we feel frustrated, there are situations when we cannot control our nerve and we tend to do some mishap, maybe suicidal thought, or can be throwing out things, destroying your own beautiful room. So, based on that, the anger management thought we have taken for our next presentation. We are performing on the most powerful stotra, Shiva Tandava Stotra. This is a fusion performance based on the stotra. The stotra embodies the cosmic dance of creation, preservation, and destruction. Powerful Tandava dance helps in anger management by throwing emotions over dance and exhausting body movements. Here, we are showcasing martial arts